we've gone from the C chord. Did you see I did something different there? Okay, so it's C into the E minor. Remember, the previous one was... Okay, so there's two different variations you can try out. I want to just show you something that's important. So I've used two different ways of going from the C to the E minor. The one I went down, the other one I went up. Personally, for the ear and for progression wise, it's almost like the magnetic field in music. It would be better to go down like we did before, because when I go to the F, I'm going to go up in any case. So that gives a little bit of variation. Now, if I'm going up every time, it gets a bit monotonous. The first one is going to be the one where I go down, and then I go to the F. So... I'm going to go up on both times. You see, that was actually almost the same, and I used almost the same notes. So it'll actually be better that I go downwards. So we're going to go C, see how I went back into the C chord. Okay, now what we can do is we can put a left hand with it.